Welcome to Marvin's boat.
Yeah. So usually what I do is I usually wear the mask in port, and then once we get out at sea, it's not much of a big deal.
Oh, makes sense.
Yeah. Going down below, and so what we can do here is you can kind of open up these things and slide them, and then we'll open up some windows.
All right.
To the side.
So just slide into the side like this way?
Yeah, slide.
Okay. Oh, nice.
What did I first say when I first walked out the boat? Okay, so we start with power. There we go. Start.
Oh, you want me to stay in the front and this position over here, right?
No, you're good for the present.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh.
so now I have got my power on. Now the first thing I do is when you put the power on, you come over here, you look to see, is it shooting out some water? And it is. So it's water cooled.
Looks like we're almost clear, I think. I think we've pretty much cleared it at this point.
Clear?
Not quite? Oh. So cool. Five knots an hour. How about when can you open up your sails?
Yeah, you can open up the sails pretty much anytime.
Anytime.
Although I usually wait till I get out of harbor.
Mm-hmm.
I usually motor in the harbor just because it's kind of narrow.
So how big is this boat? How long is it?
38.1.
38.1.
It's a Veneto Oceano 38.1.
Oh, we videotape the cars.
Okay.
Like bubbles or something?
Yeah, I don't see any bubbles. He's sailing. If we have an issue, they have a contract with the token. You want to make sure that you are calling the people who have the contract, because there is a vessel that is in distress can be claimed by whoever rescues it. Then we got these demons up on our right.
Oh yeah. What's the left?
What's along here, along this, on there, right by that.
Yeah. There's something right there too. Look.
Yeah, that's a seal.
Wow. What are they doing?
They're just
Is that the feet of the seal?
Yeah.
Oh wow, cool.
That's the seal.
That's so cool.
Yeah.
What is that little landing there for?
They're doing something there. Maybe dredging. I don't know. What exactly.
Wow, I've never even seen this area of Newport before.
Oh, there you look at it right there. He's at parasailing.
Oh, was that they were doing parasailing?
They're doing parasailing.
Wow. Wow, that's so cool.
Speed is about 9 knots. That's gonna be a pretty good thing.
Wow, we're rocking. How do those things, that thing's so noisy.
The bell, anytime the waves come across, you have a bell.
Oh, is it? Every time a wave hits it? Because if I were those seals, I'd be so annoyed.
Yeah. That's good play, but I don't think one.
Maybe they don't hear the noise as bad as we do.
Yeah, well, you know what? They're up on the kitchen board, Okay, let's see. We will start getting ourselves ready.
Whoa. Look at that. Quite a bit.
We're doing 6 knots. That's a pretty good speed.
What's the max speed on this thing?
So there is a calculation of the max speed of a boat, and it's always related if you're doing sailboat.
Huh?
Are you barrel like in school?
Well, my young one is she's doing
Watch for breaking in the water on the port bow. You can see it again. There's a machine over there. Don't let it watch. Turn. Okay. Coming out. Going out. Going with it. Parents live in Torrance, but it's not that.
One, two, three. No.
It's cooler.
Not sure. There's nobody on the boat, right?